welcome back. So it's time for me to open my IPSY bag for the month of June. Oh my goodness, can you guys believe it's already June? Summer should popping and whatnot. Anywho, it is time to open IPSY bag for the month of June, and I'm so excited that I got it. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't been watching any videos or spoilers or whatnot, so I'm gonna be surprised. Probably more surprised than y'all. So this is my IPSY bag monthly subscription that I get every month for about $10. Comes to my mailbox and I get nice little goodies and treats. So anywho, this is what the bag looks like this month. It's kind of cute. Nice pretty blue. Has the 3 different shades of blue, and it's kind of like a nice thick pleather feel. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got this month, you guys. So I'm gonna take out the card. Okay, flying colors. So very pretty, colorful card here, as you can see. So I'm thinking maybe this is for Pride Month. I don't know, but let me take a look. See, y'all know I can't see. Hold on, let me get my glasses. Trying to be cute and whatnot and can't see. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, at IPSY, Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiration, or inspiring everyone to be completely themselves. So it's a whole big old, story on here, you guys. So I'm not gonna bore you and read the whole story, but that looks like that is what the theme for this month. Ooh, okay. Let's see what we got. Okay, so first item, let me pull this out because it's in a cute little box. Ooh, infused nail lacquer. Okay, so this is from PS Cosmecutical, and this is what it looks like. So it looks like it's a very, very pretty nail shade in there. Let me go ahead and open up the box. And these glasses is dirty as I don't know what, y'all. I'm looking through a haze right now. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that, you guys. Okay. This color is gorgeous, and it is right up my little pink alley, okay? So let me see here. It says free of toluene, formaldehyde resin, camphor, lead, paraben, xylene, ethyl, tiacylamide, trifluorophosphate, hazardous phthalates. No animal testing, and it's vegan. So that is really cool. If you're really into all of that stuff and you care about, what is in all of your products, it looks like this has nothing in it but color. Anyway, that is item number 1, a gorgeous nail color. I think I'm gonna put this on my toes and take it to the nail shop because I'm gonna go ahead and let them put this on my feet. Next, we have here, ooh, MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. Okay, so this is what that looks like. MAC Prep and Prime. So it looks like this has some information on here. It says, P.S. We're so pumped that you got the MAC Prep and Prime Skin. It helps your makeup go on like a dream and leaves your skin seriously radiant. MAC is one of our beauty besties, not just because they make epic products like this one, but also because they led the way in championing LGBTQ rights for decades. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is my second MAC product that I've received in one of my makeup subscription boxes, so that's pretty bomb, okay? Because MAC is the bomb. So I'm really, really excited about this item this month, okay? Next, I have in here, Feel Pure Anywhere Balm. So this is what the little tube looks like. It says Anywhere Balm, and it says Rose. How to use as a lip balm. Okay, so anywho, it's a cute little lip balm that I got. I love getting lip balms in my monthly subscription bags because I never have to buy any type of moisturizer or balms for my lips because they keep coming in and I just keep using them or throwing them in my purse. I'm still using my Minty Mint lip balm that I got a couple of months ago, and I love this stuff. As soon as I run out, I'm buying some more. Well, unless I keep getting samples and then I won't be buying lip balm for quite a while. Okay, Next, I have here, it says Verb. So another cute little tube. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what it says. It says C Texture Cream. Amplify and refresh. What is this? Is this a, oh Lord Jesus, I cannot, look at this writing, y'all. Who is reading that? Who? Even if I had on some magnifier super, no ma'am, I cannot read that. no ma'am. Okay, so it says C Texture Cream Marine. So I'm assuming that this is some type of moisturizer because it just says amplify and refresh. So let me see if I could check this out. Safety seal. Okay, so I got it open. So let me go ahead and see what's going on with this stuff. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't really smell like much. It just has a really nice, soft, pleasant scent to it. That's what it looks like. So yeah, I'm assuming that it's just a nice facial moisturizer. I'll have to go online for IPSY and get the deets on it because I don't know what it is. But it smells really, really nice and it feels really soft. So hopefully this is just a face or skin moisturizer because I'm sure enough rubbing it into my skin. Ooh, it smells very nice actually. I like it a lot. So it just says Verb C Texture Cream. That is what that item is. Okay, and I have one more item in here. And this one is from Beauty For Real. And it looks like it is a eyeliner pencil. Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner. Yes, so I got another black eyeliner pencil, you guys. And I have a million of these, of course, because beauty boxes love sending out black eyeliner pencils. It has a nice shrink wrap seal on here, so I'm not going to open it up just in case I give it away. Most likely I'm going to put this in my giveaway box. So that is it, a nice black eyeliner. So I got an eyeliner, moisturizer, lip balm, prep and prime from MAC, and a balm nail shade. So you guys, I'm pretty happy with my IPSY bag this month. Can't complain. I like everything that I got in my bag, and it's in a cute little blue makeup bag. So that is it for IPSY that I got for the month of June, with the theme being Pride Month. So hopefully you enjoyed watching me open up my IPSY bag. I'm really, really curious and excited to see what you guys get in your IPSY bags this month. So I'll be looking for your videos as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles!